I understand why Navy SEALs have become popularized in media because you're allowed to talk about them,
right,
where you're not really allowed to talk about Delta.
right.
But anybody who really is deep into that culture of military and who served in uniform, we all know like Delta is a whole different caliber.
And then what's the top?
And then I would say kind of adjacent to Delta becomes your CIA paramilitary. Because CIA has its own paramilitary organization that pools the best SEALs, the best Green Berets, the best Delta Rangers, the best Marine Force Recon, and then again trains them up to a CIA intelligence standard while also maintaining their tier 1 or upper level echelon military special operations training.
Okay, so for us thick-headed people out there, basically they're badass mother